tell me that now is the break.
Yeah.
This
No.
is quite bullshit.
It's 12 lots of break. No, but seriously, somebody must have suggested this. Or if they think that you record it.
Yeah.
You're gonna draw that.
What? I mean, I'm not recording the music.